Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Stephanie from LazyTown on Dress to Impress. The outfit isn't the most accurate thing I've done, but I just tried. I set this hair, this bangs in this color, FF7182, and this hair too in the same color. Position the Y at 0.56, Z 0.48, rotate the X to 0.57, and then I also selected this hair. Select this headband and color it black, the thick one. Position the Y at 0.51. Rotate the X to 0.43 and scale it to 0.36. Then for the outfit, you don't need VIP for this. I'm just going to get this skirt. And I'm going to use this pink pattern in silk. And then I'm going to select this top in that same pink pattern in silk as well. And then I'm just going to use these tights, no feet. And I'm going to color it this pink color, FFC8E0. Select these shoes and color them white, and the rest like this pinkish color. Wait, no. I'll do all pink for the rest, like the same pink. Then we're just going to get the leg warmers here. Color it this color, 8A3E65. I'm just going to make it a little bit lighter and pinker, I think. Hold on. Like this, and that's it. It's not 100% the same because of the dress. It's like stripes. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!